Don't trip over the hose.
No. No.
Ah! Abby! Abby!
I got you.
Oh no! Not up my shorts! Abby, help! Abby! He's got me!
I got you.
He's got my shorts! I need flower power! Ah! Oh, he won't, ah!
Go.
Oh no! He let go! Ah! Ah! He won't let me go!
Can't move.
Abby! I'm being pulled in 2 directions! He's got my shorts! Ah! Ah!
I got you.
If only Dewey would help us. You're going to pull my shorts off. He's pulling my shorts off. Ah! He spanked me. Ah! Ah!
Let's blink. Now you're in trouble now.
No, I'm not in trouble.
Yeah, I'm going at the... Quick, run back in the Sega forest.
Go. Run, Dewey.
No, you can't come for long. Quick. No, Dewey, come back.
Dewey. Dewey, come. Whoa, don't fall. Don't fall.
Quick, get back here.
But he's coming. Now where do we go?
In here.
Oh! Oh.
You like, cool. Jump back. No. No, come on. Come on.
That's Dewey. That's Dewey.
Dewey, come back.
Okay.
Oh, a hole.
I know.
A hole.
What do you think's in there?
Water. It's water. Can you climb over that, August? Yeah. How?
Superman!
No. Never. You do it to me as you do it to him.
You want me to do it to you? All right, let's see. Come here, Supergirl. Supergirl flower power. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2.
Now, okay.
Augie, you can't be up there.
Yeah.
Come here. You're going to get hurt.
No.
Come here.
No.
You better come here. I'm going to tell Mimi and you're going to get in trouble.
I'm not
Come here.
No.
I got Abby.
No.
Don't get up there. That's dangerous. And plus, that can crash through and you'll fall in the water.
No.
Come here.
No.
Not going up there. Oh, what are you doing? Don't do that.
Is that honey in there?
Honey?
Over there.
Why? It's not a beehive.
So over there, do you see that?
We're not supposed to open that.
Do you see that?
There's
yellow
sharks
thing?
in there.
Sharks.
Yeah.
Ah,
I know. Run.
real sharks?
Yeah.
Really?
That's why we keep it shut all the time. So they can't get out.
Gas.
I know.
Not like the apples. Gas not. You like my flower?
I do.
Smell it. Apples, no. Flowers,